everybody, welcome back to another video. Please excuse the road noise. It is a very nice day and I am enjoying the open windows, but unfortunately my road seems to be very popular. Today we are going to be doing the bat pinch bow from Maine Designs. Here is a completed one for you guys. We will also be testing out the Cricut glue gun that I purchased for myself. We shall see how it works out. I'm going to be giving you my honest opinion on it. So, for this bow, you are going to need the materials. I used a fine glitter and a chunky glitter canvas. I have the pieces pre-cut for you. And I have also used a 3-inch alligator clip. You're going to obviously need the template. And again, this is from Maine. You are going to need something to trace it out, whether it be a pen, a pencil, or like me, you could go and purchase a 12-pack of water-soluble marking pencils from Amazon. Whatever you choose. And like I said, you're also going to need a 3-inch alligator clip and a hot glue gun, scissors to cut out the material, but since we are already pre-cut, we're just going to skip to putting it together. Let me bring the glue gun forward. Now, the one thing I'm going to say I do not like about this, there is no kickstand to hold this up. So what I am doing is propping it up and hoping it stays. It's very touch and go. This is not going to be my favorite glue gun. Plus, it takes mini sticks, which I'm not a fan of. But for this, we shall test it out with this glue gun and see how it works out. Now, these are the 3 pieces you're going to have for bow parts. You're going to have the pinch bow, the bat wings, and the center wrap. I would suggest that the center wrap and the bat wings are the same type of glitter. And as I said, you can always do a different type for the pinch bow to give it a little bit of flair. Useful but not necessary is some thread to cinch the center. You can use a hot glue gun to glue it down. I just don't prefer that method. I don't think it holds well enough. So, you guys know my trusty choice of thread, which is the Coats upholstery thread. Now you're going to want to line up your tabs along the back. Make sure that you've hit in the center because you're going to glue these down first. Thing about this glue gun is that the green light up at the top will let you know when it is ready to use. It turns an orange color when you first turn it on and it's heating up. There is very little control on how much comes out, guys. I have just put entirely too much on here and we are just going to have to live with that. Plus, like I said, there is no kickstand, so it does not like to stay up on its own. You'll end up putting it on its side, which can lead to hot glue backing up inside the glue gun, which leads to your glue gun no longer working. If you want a mini glue gun, I would recommend the Bleds glue gun that I reviewed a while back. It's got not only a kickstand, but a stand on the bottom as well. That's far more sturdier than this thing. Alright, so now that your tabs are quite messily glued onto the back because this glue gun has zero control over how much you push out when you squeeze the trigger, you're going to come to the front, you're going to find the center, and you're going to fold down. And you are going to accordion fold to the best of your ability. Gluing it down ahead of time does not make it the easiest to do so. It's sometimes just a wing and a prayer, guys, honestly. All right, so I'm not cutting any of this out. You can see how difficult it is with the hot glue to get an easy fold, but there's no way to tuck in the tails, the little tabs securely if you don't glue them down ahead of time. You guys know I love to leave my mistakes in here for you and the struggles that I have working with these bows, so you can see it's not going to be perfect. You two are going to struggle. And this is definitely not the template. I don't want you thinking this is the template. Alright, one more time and then we're gonna go off camera to do this because it's starting to annoy me. Let's try working from that side. See if we have any better luck. All right, one more, I swear. All right, I'm gonna do this off camera and I will be back.
A few moments later.
Alright, so the reason I was having trouble is I was accordion folding wrong. You're supposed to fold up in the middle and then fold down the sides, not fold down in the middle. Which is why I was struggling, but it's been a while since I've done an accordion fold, so I apologize. You're going to take your thread while holding this nifty little bow that you have just struggled to accordion fold, if you're me, or if you're not me and actually remember how to accordion fold right away, you will not have struggled. But again, you're going to fold up in the middle and then fold up on either ends. Wrap the thread around a couple of times. You want to make sure to keep your thread centered. And then you are going to tie it off. You want to knot it a couple of times just to make sure that nothing comes loose. And I do it one more time. I'm going to grab a pair of scissors just to snip off the extra thread. Alright. That is the bow. Take a few minutes just to refluff this, get it exactly how you want it before you put it aside and work on the rest of your bow. I'm going to glue the clip down to the bat wings. Yeah, guys, there is zero control on this. I really do not like this glue gun. Thank God I got it for free with my Cricut Access $10 off, because I would not have paid for this glue gun. If you're looking at it and thinking it's going to be a great gun, please don't buy it. Unless you were doing large projects, don't buy it. This gun is not great for small detail work. I mean, that's the tip. You're not getting a precision tip here. I wanted to give you guys an honest review. This is it. This glue gun is not it. I'm using it for the rest of this project, and then I'm probably going to put it aside, and the likelihood of me ever using it again is slim to none. But it was free, so I'm not going to get too upset over that. You're going to glue the center wrap inside the clip on the back, and then put some glue down on the front and glue your bow down. Be careful how you push down to make sure everything adheres, because you don't want to flatten the pinch bow right here. Once you are fairly certain that this has properly adhered, you're going to take your center wrap, wrap it from the back to the front, and bring it inside the clip, making sure to pull tight. Check your center wrap, make sure everything looks good before you glue it down. Now, when you open the clip, put your finger on the front and hold down this. Make sure that you're not going to lose that center wrap. Little dollop of glue, or as little as you can. Close the clip and just let it sit for a moment, making sure that the hot glue has adhered to itself before you clip off the excess. And that is the bat pinch bow. Like I said, I made 2 of them. So I have a pair of them right here. They would look really cute on ponytails, or a set of 2 bows for 2 little girls. Excuse me, I have a dry throat today. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. This is the first in our Halloween series. Really easy bow, and very much worth trying to put it together. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked this video, please click the like button down below, somewhere around there. And if you think somebody would be interested in watching this and possibly purchasing the templates from our friend Maisie Moo, who makes a lot of the templates I use aside from Miss O. If you think somebody would be interested in purchasing the templates, share the video. The share button is right next to them. I do not make any money if they purchase the templates, which will be linked down below for you guys, as long as, as well as the rest of the supplies. So share that if you know somebody who'd be interested in this. If you're not as subscribed already to the channel, please click the subscribe button. Click the bell button next to it. Set your notifications to all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I am so sorry for how today has gone. I have a tickle in my throat and it is not helping my performance for you guys. So hopefully next video I will be better. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down in the comments box down below. Make sure to check the description box for any pertinent links that you might need. And next video, we will be back with, or at least our next Halloween video, we will be back with a Sanderson Sister pinwheel for you. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!